Okay guys, after knowing the roadmap, career opportunity, salary, everything, now I will tell you some tools that is gonna help you and some tips also. So the first important step is planning. What are your interest? Depending upon that you can plan. So don't go for if your friend is doing full stack web development, you are also doing. So pick your interest. If you are interested in art, designing, everything, go for front end. And if you are think you want some like coding stuff and cool, like you want to work on databases, Google Cloud, you can work on the back end. And if you think like, okay, I can do both of them at the same time, then you can go for full stack web development. Like salary is same for all. It only thing is that what is the area of interest. Like if you are interested in that, then you can work and you can become professional. And only the professional are paid in the terms of lakhs, like 10 lakh, 14 lakh, 16 lakh, anything like that. Other than that, who are new to this field, they are not gonna get much. Only like 2 to 1 to 3 lakhs, which is not gonna even pay your house rent, bro. So pick your area of interest, very important. Then the next important tool is Git and GitHub. So if you don't know about Git and GitHub, don't worry, I got you there. We are having a session in the end of the web development about Git and Git. So there we will explain and give you a hands-on tutorial also. Don't worry. Then I will give you a brief idea Git and GitHub. It is a website. GitHub is a website and Git is a integrated tool in your like PowerShell and command prompt. So using Git, you can upload your files to GitHub. GitHub is a place where different companies put up their source code from where you can modify their code, copy their code, like some open source like Python language itself and VS Code, everything like that. The code is like VLC Media Player also. It's an open source, like it is made by the contribution of different peoples. So if you want to contribute in them, you can go and check out GitHub, definitely. Then we have integrated development environment. What are IDs? These are basically the text editors which provide you some powerful features. Like we have VS Code, then multiple of them are Atom was there, but Atom was recently taken down by their authors, who developed it. I don't know why, but was a great tool for web development. But recently, last year December, it is being taken down. And there are some multiple options are there, but best is the VS Code for you as it is comfortable with different environment like Python. You can go for it. Then JavaScript, HTML, CSS. Okay, it's definitely work on you, and you can customize the theme and you get different extension, so it is very convenient to go for VS Code. Then we have Postman. So what is Postman? So basically you are not going to need as a basic level. So so I will tell you the brief idea. So the Postman is a website. If you design a website, like you somehow made a website and you did the backend, you did the front end, and now if you want to publish it. So before publishing it, Postman check your API calls. If your functions work perfectly, it's not happening like that. If person is clicking on buy now, he is going to home page. So if the API calls are properly called and if there is some bugs or some issue, it will be given by the postman. It basically handles your API call. And what is API call? It will be explained in my further web development videos. Then Devfolio. So this part I want you guys to explore yourself. Go sign up there. And yeah, guys, this is not a sponsored video, so I'm not sponsoring them. These are really great website a web developer should know. Okay, guys, so that's all for the tools. And for the beginner, these tools are important. And thank you, guys. You can connect with me in my Twitter. My Twitter ID is given. And yeah, definitely, if you have any question and queries, you can mail me. I will go through them and reply them accordingly.